Did you know that in Swedish we have the word hon, meaning she. We have the word han, meaning he. But we also have the word hen, meaning he, she. So basically a genderless word. There's a lot of people out there who don't want to identify themselves with a gender. And so for that reason, we've come up with the word hen recently in Swedish here. But Chinese has already been doing this for quite some time. Because they have the word she, which is ta. And they have the word he, which is ta. And they have the word it, which is ta. So everything's just ta. But you can, however, tell them apart by looking at the characters. You see, the characters are different, but the sounds are not. Okay? And that's interesting then. So if you write with the pinyin, which is just TA, then no one will have a clue which one you're talking about. Is it he, she, or it? We have no idea. So Chinese has basically been doing this genderless thing that Swedish people think we're unique by doing for a very, very long time already. Well, since the beginning of Chinese language time. And that's quite a long time. So now that was a bit of Swedish contemporary history, if that's a word. But also Chinese in 3 words. We have he, she, and it. And that's all ta. So now we actually know I, you, she, he, and it. Okay? It's 我, and then it's 你, and then it's ta, and it's ta. And that's the imaginative person behind the camera. Ta, ta, ta. And remember now, all of this ta, in addition to being like genderless, they're also subject and objectless. They can both be a subject or an object. As in, they can both mean she or her or he or him, etc. So basically learning just one sound for the equivalent of like 6 words in English then. Isn't that amazing? Last note here is that you can look at these articles as well, and you can look at, there's just Chinese characters, but then all of a sudden you have TA, and that's actually ta. Maybe they're lazy, or maybe they're progressive. By the way, if you say 我你他, 我你他, if you say it quickly and switch around the sounds a little bit, it sounds like Monica. 我你他, 我你他, 我你他. Chinese for you would be like swimming in the park, walking in the... Yeah, you see, everything's difficult for me, but if your name is Monica or Nina, it shouldn't be difficult. It should be a walk in the... Yeah.